Hello guys, most of them get 0 for this problem. It is wrong. Let's see. Here 5 minus 5 is 0. Here 5 minus 5 is 0. Now 0 times 0 is 0. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and divisions are equal priority and addition and subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right order. So here we have subtraction, multiplication and subtractions. Here multiplication is higher priority than the subtractions. So we have to do this first. So 5 minus 5 times 5 is 25 minus this 5. Now both are subtractions. We have to do this left to right order. So left to right is this 5 minus 25. Here minus 20, this minus 5. Here minus 25. This is the correct answer.